Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M33 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change date and time in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. First of all, go to the settings of our phone here and click on General Management. Now click on date and time. Here if you want to change time, you go to first turn off automatic date and time, and then only you can change date. Click on set date and here select the date. If you want to choose 13th April or 15th April, you can do it. Just click on done. Finally click on set time, and here you can select the time. I select here 4:28. Here also you have option to select AM and PM. Click on done. If you use 24-hour format, if you want to use 24-hour format, just turn on this button and 24-hour format will be followed. You can see the changes in the home screen. See here, date and time have been changed. You can see. So if you want to use only 12-hour format, you can keep settings turned off. Go to the same settings, click on date and time and turn off this setting. Use 24-hour format. Only 12-hour format is followed now. If you want to update date and time automatically based on your location, it will select the date. Just turn on this button and go to home screen. Now see the changes. Actually this is default. So in this way you can easily change date and time in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.